Hey guys, welcome. I have to do a voiceover today. Here you go, that's my lunch, and we're at the beach today. Look at the bright sunlight coming up, guys. It's amazing here. Welcome. I know you're gonna enjoy this video with us today at the beach. Yes, so we have lunch already. Brina is already in the water and she's having fun. It's been a while we haven't shared a beach video with you guys. I know you will enjoy it with us today. So come along and let us enjoy this day together. All right, so look at the beauty out there. People are enjoying themselves and so on. So I'm just gonna get ready now and to go in the water as well and enjoy myself. Look at the ship over there. Yes, it's been amazing time. Yes, look at the beauty. Yes, so I'm showing you guys all around. Brina is already in the water. She having fun. She have her lunch and stuff like that, and she's having fun. So now I'm just sharing our bath swimwear with you guys. As you can see, she already in her swimwear, and I'm also sharing my, look at my belly, full of food. And I'm also sharing my swimwear with you for today. So now I'm walking the beach. It's a little windy here, but we can live with that. Oh my God, it's amazing out here, and I already feeling the fun. I am already feeling the excitement. As you know, I am a vibes person and I love excitement, guys. So please come along with us and enjoy this video. Remember to like and share it out with your friends, your family, your co-workers, and everyone you would like to share our video with. Alright, so come along with us. Please remember